We'll talk about that.
It's quite poor. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Ian. This channel is all about music and art, and in this video it's a series of videos and we're setting up a Fender Stratocaster. If this is the first time you've been here, all of the previous videos in this series are linked down below, so if you need to, you can start right from the beginning and work all the way through. We've done intonation, we've lemoned the fretboard, we've cleaned the guitar, we've done the electrics, and in this video we're actually going to do what's called neck relief, which means that we check the neck to see whether it's got a bow, or we may have to give it some relief against the strings. And the way that what we need to do that is we need a capo and our feeler gauge. And the feeler gauge that we need for this one, it wants to be set to 2.54 millimeters, which is 0.0 of an inch. So we've got our capo behind the first fret, and down at the 8th fret, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, down there, that's where we're going to be working. And we need to put our finger on the last fret down there, and at the 8th fret we need to put our feeler gauge underneath it. Now if you've got too much space, you'll need to tighten the truss rod, and in this case I'm not sure you can actually see it, but it's just lifting the string. So we're going to have to loosen the truss rod a little bit. Now the way that we do that is we need an Allen key, and the truss rod on this particular guitar is up here. Sometimes it can be down at the heel of the neck, and sometimes it's covered in a little plate. On this Fender it isn't. So to actually loosen the truss rod, in this case I need to, if I move it left, and I would always move it left, if I wanted to tighten it, rather than pull it towards me, I would loosen it first to make sure that we've got some play on the neck. And as you can see there is a little bit of play. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go 1/4 turn there, and I'm going to do another turn. Now actually what can sometimes happen is that there's not much of a gap, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to loosen these two strings off and pull them out of the way like that. Let's loosen the next one, pull it out of the way, which gives me a little bit more space to be able to get the Allen key in and give it a turn. So I would say that's probably enough for now. So what I'm going to do now is let it settle for a while, probably a couple of hours, retune it, we'll check it again. Hi, welcome back. So what we've done is I've retuned it, checked it again, and the actual guitar still needs a little bit more neck relief. So what we're going to do is we're going to give it just another turn, holding the neck, give it a push to about there. And let it settle again, retune the whole thing up and see where we are. So we've left it another hour and retuned, and now I've just checked it once, but I'll just show you. So capo's behind the first fret, finger on there. If if I can just position this into so that you can see it. So what happens now is, whereas it was lifting the string quite a bit, now it hardly moves the string at all. Well, you can see that. I'm quite happy with that. That completes the neck relief on this particular guitar. Right, what we're going to be doing in the next video is we're going to be doing string height and pickup height. And I'll see you then. So thanks so much for watching. If you like what I do, hit the subscribe button, and a thumbs up is always much appreciated. And if you want to be notified when these videos go live, just ding that little bell. See you next time. Cheers now. Bye bye.